How delightful it is to immerse yourself in the tranquil embrace of a tropical forest. In the chaos of modern times, when we are constantly racing against the clock and struggling with overwhelming obligations, it can be tough to connect with inner serenity. Now, however, you have the chance to embark on a serene journey through the verdant paradise of the Hawaiian rainforest. Leave behind the confines of dreary workplaces and heavy responsibilities, and let the natural beauty around you soothe your soul. As you explore the Big Island rainforest, a hidden gem awaits: the Hawaiian Tropical Botanical Garden. This enchanting nature reserve in Papai'akau offers an oasis of tranquility and natural beauty, inviting you for a truly serene and relaxing stroll. The establishment of the Hawaiian Tropical Botanical Garden dates back to 1977, when it was founded on the site of a former sugarcane plantation by Dan J. Lutkenhaus, a horticulturist and botanist with a passion for preserving and displaying the beauty of tropical plants. Lutkenhaus and his team have transformed a once degraded and overgrown valley into a 40-acre botanical wonderland. Onamoa Bay was originally settled as the fishing village of Kahalea. The settlers cleared much of the vegetation to plant food crops such as taro, coconuts, breadfruit, and mangoes. The settlers at that time were a mixture of Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, and Filipinos who came to Hawaii to work in the sugarcane fields and build the Onamea sugar mill. After the Onamea sugar mill went out of business, many of the original settlers left. For a time, part of the valley was used for lily, passion fruit cultivation, and grazing. But by the early 1900s, the Onamea Valley was deserted, and the vegetation was so dense that only a few signs of former habitation could be seen. As you enter the garden, your senses are greeted by a symphony of colors and scents. The intoxicating aromas of tropical flowers fill your lungs with their sweet essence. Carefully manicured garden paths will lead you through a tapestry of colorful plants, each more enchanting than the last. You find yourself surrounded by an abundance of flora, both exotic and familiar. Tall palms sway gently overhead, their leaves rustling in the breeze like a soothing lullaby. Banana trees stretch their broad leaves towards the sky, creating a lush canopy that filters the sunlight and casts colorful shadows on the path. By the 1960s and 70s, the Onamea Valley had become an overgrown and virtually impenetrable jungle, choked with wild invasive trees, thickets of weeds and thorns, and suffocating vines. Such was the state of the land when founders Dan and Pauline Lutkenhaus discovered it in 1977. In 1977, Dan Lutkenhaus Sr. discovered the enchanting Onamea Valley while on vacation in Hawaii. Deciding to retire to a natural paradise, he and his wife bought a 17-acre plot and embarked on a mission to create a botanical garden that would preserve the charm of the valley for generations to come. As you make your way along the winding paths, you will come across a variety of tropical flowers that seem to defy the imagination. Anthuriums with their bright red and pink bedspreads will captivate your attention. Their heart-shaped leaves will beckon you closer. Growing all this beauty on the site of an overgrown rainforest was a difficult task. The valley was a dense jungle overgrown with invasive species and weeds. Undeterred, Lutkenhaus and his assistant, Terry Taikua, spent years creating trails of unforgiving lava, clearing paths, and preserving precious vegetation. Despite his lack of formal botanical training, Lutkenhaus curated over 2,500 tropical and subtropical plants from around the world, including rare species from Madagascar. His design philosophy was inspired by the contours of the valley, resulting in winding paths leading to hidden landscapes and the breathtaking three-tiered Onamea Falls. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the tension in your body slowly dissipate as you sink into this serene oasis. Imagine yourself surrounded by tall trees, adorned with colorful foliage, with tiny dewdrops on the leaves. You are at the entrance to this enchanting rainforest, ready to explore its wonders with intent and awareness at every step. The path ahead is well prepared, inviting you to explore the wonders of nature hidden in this lush garden. Tall palms sway gently in the breeze, and their branches whisper ancient tales as you pass by. Lush green ferns spread their delicate leaves to form a green carpet on the forest floor. Their graceful presence beckons you deeper into the heart of the rainforest. The sounds of nature accompany your every step. The gentle chirping of birds and the occasional buzz of insects create a soothing symphony in harmony with the rustle of leaves in the wind. The garden comes alive with vibrant melodies of nature, as if serenading you on your journey. Step onto the soft, wet ground beneath your feet, and you'll begin your journey. The earth feels cool and refreshing, rejuvenating your senses with every step. Let the energy of the rainforest flow through you, releasing the stresses and strains of your daily life. As you walk, feel the weight of worry lifted from your shoulders, replaced by a deep sense of calm and peace. As you dive deeper into the heart of the rainforest, you are enveloped in a symphony of nature's melodies. The sweet songs of the birds echo through the air, their sweet harmony soothing your weary soul. Listen carefully as the gentle rhythm of their music takes you away from the chaos of the outside world. Let the enchanting chorus of nature envelop you, filling you with a sense of peace and harmony. Step onto the beautiful wooden footbridge for a walk through the mysterious tropical greenery. You stumble upon hidden nooks and serene niches. Secluded benches offer inviting places to relax and immerse yourself in the tranquility of your surroundings. Here you can pause, close your eyes, and let the soothing sounds of nature envelop you, transporting you to a place of deep relaxation and inner peace. As you explore the dense forest, take the time to close your eyes and listen to the soothing sounds of babbling streams and cascading waterfalls. These soothing sounds are sure to clear your mind and help you connect with nature. Move deep into the dense forest and go to this murmuring sound. You will see a beautiful spring stream with a ringing splash accompanying the bird's polyphony. Stay here. Let your eyes rest as you look out over the water and listen to this soothing melody of the tropics. A light breeze rustles the leaves above, caressing your skin and bringing the long-awaited coolness into the air. Take a deep breath and let the fresh, earthy scent of the rainforest fill your lungs. As you exhale, let go of any lingering tension, allowing your mind to expand and connect with the natural world around you. Feel the gentle touch of the breeze as it touches your face, bringing with it a sense of calm and peace. Turn around and move on as you explore the enchanting beauty of the island forest. Here is something bright that stands out against the backdrop of endless greenery. This is the famous Hawaiian red ginger, a very interesting plant, also known as the purple alpinia. Hawaiian ginger is like a symbol of perseverance and endurance. The first 3 years, the plant does not bloom, but then it seems to explode with bright, large iridescences that delight the eye all year round. Moving along the path, you reach the edge, where the majestic Pacific Ocean stretches before you. He carries his waves with strength and constancy, regardless of the troubles of life around. The ocean is an unshakable force. Take this reminder that life is out of our control, and that it's okay to let go of obsessive thoughts about money, success, and worries. In the rainforest, or next to the endless waves, where time slows down and nature reigns, we find solace and acceptance. Feel the energy of nature, the powerful force of the Creator, which reminds us of our place in the great tapestry of life. One of the attractions of the Hawaiian Tropical Botanical Garden is Onomea Bay, which borders the garden. This pristine cove provides a breathtaking backdrop and offers visitors the chance to witness the merger of lush tropical foliage and the sparkling ocean, creating a truly magical setting. Stay here for a while. Enjoy the perfect view in front of you, Powerful azure waves with white caps of foam wash the rocky shore of Anomea Bay. The noise of the ocean seems to be unobtrusively and gradually replacing the bright cacophony of the bird kingdom in the forest. And now the already measured music of the waves relaxes you, plunging you deep into peace. There is no hustle and bustle here. Here, the salty breeze throws a diamond crumb of water in your face, refreshing and giving admiration. Here, the song of the ocean, like white noise, fills every corner, erasing negative emotions and leaving behind only pleasant bliss. The waves are very close to you. A stone, narrow strip of the coast is the only thing that separates the dense forest from the water. Palm trees and ferns, with powerful roots, arch right above the water. There is a path here. It is slippery, but it beckons to walk along it, clinging to the outstretched branches. Try to look into your thoughts. Now, after walking for a while, they are more focused, calm, and structured. Everything in your head has gone on the shelves, and you are no longer afraid to lose sight of something important. Your heart rate has returned to normal because you are calm and measured. Raise your head up. Feel the majesty of nature around you. Shady palm trees contrast against the bright blue sky, providing shade and coolness, even on the hottest day. High, powerful vines wrap around tree trunks. Imagine that creepers are your anxieties and stress, and high and powerful trunks are your consciousness, which is not allowed to open by the fettering cords of problems and negativity. Release them. Give yourself the freedom to rise above the thickets of anxiety and difficult decisions. Reach for the warm sunlight and allow yourself to open up into open space. Move slowly and soak up the unique atmosphere of dense tropical thickets. As you walk, let your mind wander from the endless to-do list and put aside the constant worries of our modern world. Let yourself be present and let the beauty of nature embrace you. Pay attention to the bright colors around you. The dark green and earthy brown of the tall trees contrasted with the bright hues of the exotic flowers and flowering foliage. Accept it and enjoy this moment of serenity. Let go of obsessive thoughts about money and success that can cloud your mind. Instead, immerse yourself in the beauty of the rainforest and let the tranquil setting lift your spirits. return to the forest. You are not finished here yet. The rainforest embraces you with its caring embrace, offering a respite from the demands of the outside world. Tall trees form a lush canopy overhead, their leaves filtering the sunlight into motley patterns that dance across the forest floor. Rays of golden light create a mystical atmosphere, transporting you to a place where time seems to have stopped. As you wander through the rainforest, you encounter dense thickets, a haven for countless creatures. The vines and creepers intertwine to form a natural tapestry that feels intimate and solitary. You move carefully through this magical labyrinth, feeling the cool touch of the leaves on your skin, as if nature itself is showing you the way. When you resume walking, you will become aware of the deep serenity that surrounds you. The rainforest offers a haven where the worries and stresses of the outside world melt away. Here in this moment, you can reconnect with your inner self to find solace in the simplicity of nature's embrace. The rainforest whispers tales of ancient wisdom, inviting you to slow down, to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. Each step becomes an act that grounds you in the present moment and allows you to fully immerse yourself in this serene oasis. In the rainforest, it seems that time is stretching and the weight of the world is gently lifted from your shoulders. The Hawaiian Tropical Botanical Garden is a living testament to the rich biodiversity of the Hawaiian Islands. Today, the site serves as a vital seed bank that preserves species that are extinct in the wild, ensuring their survival for future generations. After Lutkin House passed away, their children now run the garden and want to expand its role as a hub for sustainability education and climate change awareness. In addition to natural beauty, the Hawaiian Tropical Botanical Garden is dedicated to conservation and education. The garden serves as a living laboratory for research and conservation efforts, promoting the understanding and protection of tropical plants and ecosystems. It also offers educational programs, tours, and workshops to engage visitors of all ages and promote a deeper understanding of the natural world. As you continue walking, you experience a deep sense of gratitude for this oasis of calm and beauty. A tropical botanical garden in Hawaii has provided you with a haven to escape the demands of the outside world, allowing you to reconnect with yourself and the natural world around you. With each step, the weight of stress and anxiety is lifted from your shoulders, replaced by a deep sense of peace and rejuvenation. The garden becomes a canvas on which you paint memories of serenity, a place where time slows down and your soul finds solace. As you conclude your tour of the Hawaiian Tropical Botanical Garden, take a moment to reflect on the beauty you have experienced. Take the serenity of this journey with you, allowing it to fill your daily life with a sense of calm and appreciation. To the Creator for the wonders of nature.